Hi there, it's Nim here from CloudTax. I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of the application on mobile. So let's get started and let's do a test account. So I'm going to start with the new return. So I'm already logged in, so that's why it's asking to for confirmation. So I'm going to say my name is Nim, and for now I'm going to say I'm single, and no marital status change, no dependents. I'm going to pick Ontario as a province. And for my date of birth, I'm going to be entering a dummy date of birth for now. Just 0202. Okay, so here I have an option to do an autofill. So if I click on the autofill, it will take me to this page where I ask for my SIN number. So I'm going to put a SIN number there and click on autofill. So it will take me to the CRA's autofill information, where I have to put in the username and password. All right, and I'm going to download the information from CRA. So if you don't have CRA's autofill, it's okay. You could still fill in the information manually, or you could even take a picture of your T4 and CloudTax will import the information for you. So here we got some information back. So it says return mail indicator. That means CRA has received notification saying that they couldn't deliver the last mail that they sent out. So they have a return mail indicator. So you may want to check with them and update the CRA's mailing address, whatever you have there. And here you could see the information that we downloaded from CRA. So you might be seeing all of them, or you might see something that's missing. So you may want to double check that and then enter them manually if you have anything that's not here in CRA. And all you need to do is click on import my slips and it will just download it for you. And there we go. So that's done. So now you will go through these slips that's downloaded from CRA and fill out any information that's missing. So for example, if you want to add another T4, you could simply click on the add a T4, and you could click on the camera icon right here on the top, and then you will be able to take a picture of your T4. If not, you could just delete it by clicking on the dustbin icon there, and then you're going to navigate through clicking on the next button. So it's going to go through all the pages, whatever that you downloaded from, whatever you have from CRA. So in order for you to navigate to quickly to other pages, you could also use the left navigation. So you click on the left the menu right there, and then you will see the income slips. So you have T4, T4A, T4 RSPs, and etc. And you could also click on the deductions. So under the deductions, you see the RSP confirmation contributions and other related information. It's here. So we did pick up some information from CRA for the RSP amount. So if something is missing, then you could add it manually. And similar to that, there's an LLP outstanding balance also got picked up. So I'm going to go to, for example, if I want to add like say for example another credit or deductions, I could simply click on the go to button on the bottom right here and then type in, say for example, medical, and then it will give me the option to enter the medical expense. So I could just put patient's as name, eligible expense, description is say dental, and I could put an amount for say 2,500. Well, that's a pretty big dental job. All right, so I'm going to click next, and here you have an option to enter the provincial credits, for example the Ontario Trillium benefit and stuff like that. You could enter, so for example, if you pay rent, you would say you paid rent, and you would put the total amount, say $12,000, and the number of months you will put 12. So I'm gonna ignore the address part, and then I'll click on OTB and click on yes for the energy and property tax credit. That's it, and it will take me to the error check page. Here I will do an error check. I know I haven't filled out anything basic, so if I do an error check, I'll get a bunch of errors. saying that I'm missing a lot of information. So I'm going to quickly jump to my personal information page by going to the menu. So this is almost like the start of the application. So I would start filling in the last name, the address, the basic information. So I'm gonna just try a basic one. It's with some dummy information. Let's see, 250. All right, 888-953-2112. Okay, I'm gonna say no to the online mail for now, and I'm gonna say English correspondence. So I would just go through the pages from start to finish now. So since I missed all this initially, I could just go through it now. And also, as I said, you could also use the left navigation by going here and looking at all the pages. You could jump in between, or you could use this. For example, if you want to review my file, I will click on review. It will take me to the review page where I will be able to see the my information's there, and my income information is here. So I'll be able to see everything. Once everything's done, then I could click on the file my return. You do have an option to review the taxes with the tax expert. So very affordable fee if you want to get somebody take a look at your taxes before you do it. If not, you could skip that. And we also offer the audit protection in case if CRA contacts you later stage after your taxes are submitted. Or one of our tax experts will be able to help you navigate through and see how we can help you. So I'm going to skip that for now as well. And once that is done, then I just have to go to the file page and then submit my tax return. So it's pretty straightforward, but it can be overwhelming if you're filing for the first time, and especially doing it on a mobile. So I would just recommend that you just use this left navigation as much as you can, just to navigate through. And then also you could use the go to button to go to any pages. For example, if you want to go to T4, you could click on T4 and type in, it will take you to that page. So there you go. So if you have any other questions, feel free to jump on the chat button right here on the left bottom. You might be able to talk to one of our tax experts, and we could help you if you're getting stuck somewhere. All right. Again, once again, thanks for choosing CloudTax, and we wish you a happy more returns. Thank you.